everyone, it's me, Barbara Millicent Roberts, and today we are at the International Dog Show of 2019, and we have many people competing this year. Let's have our first competitor come up to the stage. She's very popular, a YouTube sensation. It's Sofia the first. Hi guys, my name is Sofia, and I am the best dog in the world. Oh, what do you think about the competition? It's going to be so easy. I'm going to beat them all like I did with that stupid Maleficent. Ha ha ha. Okay. The judges this year will be Princess Sofia's mom, Queen Miranda, and some other people. Yes, we will get to that later. Anywho, you can continue watching your other things now.
Oh, that little stupid head is in that dog show. Ugh. Just when I thought we were rid of her, she's on TV. There's gotta be a way that we can beat her at it. Mom, we don't have a dog. Jesse, have you finished fixing Sparty? Maleficent, I told you. The one got dried out for too long. Mal, stop falling over. This is serious. The wood got dried out for too long, so now it's impossible to fix it. So you're gonna have to get a new wooden dog. Ugh. What are we gonna do? Here's what we're gonna do. Mal, you can be the owner, and Woody, you're gonna dress up like a dog. What? No, I don't wanna be a dog. I think Jessie should be a dog. She acts like a dog the most. Mal, stop running away. But Mom, I have a great idea. Why don't we just go get a dog from like the animal shelter or something? I mean, they're free sometimes, so it wouldn't be too hard, and then we could just take it back after. No, sit down. We are not having an actual pet in this house, okay?
Guess who's back? It's me, Buzz Lightyear. I haven't been in one of these videos for like ever. What you guys talking about?
Hey, Buzz. We're talking about this dog show that stupid Sofia's in.
You mean that darling little girl on the internet with the cute purple dress?
Uh-huh.
And little amulet?
Uh-huh.
And that crown? And her cute little baby blue eyes? She's hilarious.
Don't you try to go on her side. She's a demon.
Okay. So, are you guys gonna get a dog?
No. We're gonna dress Jessie like a dog.
That doesn't sound like a good idea.
What do you mean it's a great idea? You don't have to pay for anything. And the judges are stupid. They won't recognize it.
I am one of the judges. Why don't I get you a dog and then...
No! I'm not having a freaking dog enter this house.
Okay then.
Mal wanted to get a dog, so why don't you just like go talk to her or whatever?
I think I will.
Okay, back to plan. Woody, you're gonna dress up like a little schoolgirl, okay?
What? Mal? Maleficent's daughter? Is anybody here?
What do you want?
Oh, you see, your mom was talking to me how you wanted to get a dog instead of making Jessie a dog.
I know, that's such a stupid idea.
Hey! What are you, what's happening? It's dragging me, what? Okay, Buzz? Where did he go? Oh my gosh, what is that thing? Buzz, what the heck is this thing? They said it was a dog. No, it's not. It's bigger than us. Bigger than me. Nice dog. Blah, 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 blah. Buzz, what do we do? He's gonna destroy everything. Not my problem. I gotta go judge the dog show in like 5 hours. Bye. What the Sasha got duped.
Stop it! Stop it, dog!
Stop! Please. What do I do? There's that Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Here's what we're gonna do. All I need you for is for the stupid dog competition. So if you behave, you can just leave and cause all the destruction you want at somebody else's freaking home. Blah. What do you mean? Blah. Oh. Okay, well, I'm gonna think that's a yes, but if we're going to do this, you're gonna need a name. Let's see. Lucky, no, that's somebody else's name. Sparty, no, wait, my mom used that name. Huh? Stitch. What? Did you just say something? My name Stitch. Oh my. Alright, filthy maggot, if you're going to win this competition, you're going to need training. So drop and give me 20. No. What? Come on, it's for the montage scene. No. Fine. Hi, welcome to this year's International Dog Show 2019. First up we have is Maleficent.
Hey, what's up?
Maleficent is a 40-year-old woman who lives in...
Shh, I don't want people coming to my house.
Okay, fine. And she just did a diss track on one of the actual competitors in this. So Maleficent, you mind showing us your dog?
Oh yeah. Come here, girl. Woof, woof. So this is my dog. Her name is Jessie, and she's got some problems, as you can tell, with her face. It's called doggo syndrome. It's when the ears come out of the side of their head for some reason like that, and their nose doesn't fully develop. So yeah, she's a good dog though.
Excuse me, but you're disqualified.
What?
The judges say that it is illegal to dress up someone as a dog.
She's not dressed up. She has doggo syndrome.
Yeah, we're gonna have to ask you to get off the stage.
Ugh, come on, Jessie.
Hi, what's going on? Next up is the most adorable, most cutest girl there is, Sofia the first. That's me. And here is my pet, Clover.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a rabbit, not a dog.
Mom told them. Oh yeah, it's totally legal, hon.
Wait.
So here is my pet. I spray painted him white because he was gray and that's ugly. I put him in a purple bow and purple dress because purple's the best color. And he can do a lot of tricks, like he can speak.
Stop it, Clover. Nobody wants to see your fat nose.
So yeah, that's my dog. Lastly, we have Mal, because for some reason the other competitors didn't show up. Okay guys, here is my dog. His name is Stitch. Whoa, what kind of dog is that? I think he was a collie before he got ran over. Ugh. Okay. Stitch hasn't been with me for a long time, but we've been training really hard, right boy? Yes. Did that dog just speak? I don't know. Anywho, we're so excited for the competition. Ugh. Time to show off your dog's talent. Okay, Clover, do your thing.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind
or forgotten. Yeah.
It looks like I'm receiving the scores. It looks like Sofia and her pet got a 9 out of 10. What? A 9? It should have been an 11. And we have the scores for Mal. Ooh. This is going to be really tough for them. Ha! Just give me the check already. No, I mean it's gonna be really tough for you because they got a 10 out of 10. What? That's not fair. Mine is an actual animal. That is a weird blue thing. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to get off the stage. No one likes a sore 8-year-old loser. Oh. So congratulations to Mal and her dog Stitch. Stitch, I can't believe it. We did it. Oh no. Well, a deal's a deal. You can go home or wherever you're gonna go cause destruction now. Stitch stayed with Mal. Really? Uh-huh. Yay! I have a dog now!